couple of years ago, I read this great book that was talking about machine learning and robotics and everything else. And it was talking about like the very, very few labs and researchers that are out there working on like true robotics. Like, to me, true robotics is about the human hand. The human hand, from a robotics perspective, is super, super difficult to do, right? Especially the wrist, right? Your wrist moves in so many angles, has a lot of strength. You know, you can rotate it, you can angle it, right? To reproduce that from a like robotics perspective is insanely hard, insanely hard. And then it extends into the fingers, right? Your palm is very strong. Your fingers are very flexible, right? There's a lot of joints and bones and things like that, right? To replicate that with like, you know, wires and servos and all that stuff that's needed, super difficult. It's super difficult. Very few people are working on it, right? Because think about it. Think about what the knowledge that researcher has to have. That researcher has to know about, you know, material science. They have to know electrical engineering. They have to know about the human body. I mean, that's a super hard job, right?